Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Today I want to do a little piece on how to clean a Blu-ray. Now, we all have our own ways and we know how to clean a DVD and a CD, but Blu-ray is completely different and you need to be really careful with how you do it. Now, Blu-ray automatically has a really silk, really smooth, anti-scratch surface on it, so it's hard to get anything onto it. Let's see if we can get a greasy fingerprint onto it, though. Okay, yeah, you see it there. And you see the roof of my basement. Yay! Anyways, it's very hard to get scratches on these things. It's definitely difficult. You have to, like, drop it across the floor. I wonder if... See if I can actually make a mark just by doing that. Look at it real close. Okay, honestly, I did not even leave a mark doing that. I wonder if... Don't worry, this is just the Steve Jobs Ashton Kutcher. I got one scratch on it, one little wee scratch. Let's try that again. So if you got a scratch on here, heaven help you. I don't even think you can resurface these things. But it is, what I'm getting at is it's just so hard to get scratches on here. So what do? If you are getting data issues on your Xbox or your Blu-ray or even PS4, well, this is what you do. You get some microfiber. I got a little bit of microfiber here from my OtterBox system unit. Definitely recommend microfiber, but any dry fiber will probably do it for you. And now what you got to do is, we'll find the print. You got to clean it inwards to outwards. Make sure you don't got any dust or anything on it. Inwards to outwards, just like that. Make sure you don't got any dust on it or anything. Once again, carefully, patiently, from in to out. Don't use rubbing alcohol. Don't use peroxide. Don't use any of those things, because the lines and the divots that the laser is trying to find in here is so small and so far apart and so close to each other, sorry, that if you do use something like that, it could affect you. It could affect the surface shine. But there definitely is a shine that you get on these that you don't get on the Blu-ray. Yeah, we do got a little scratchy poo right there. I wonder... Really? I didn't scratch it once? Okay, I'm trying now. Holy crud, I still didn't scratch it. These things are pretty solid. Okay, there we go. Now I got a corner on it. But yeah, it takes, what I'm getting at is it takes a lot to mess with these things because of how smooth they are. Jeez, it almost feels like there's a slight layer of oil or something on top of it. Okay, now that I got my prints on it, it's starting to give some. It's slick. It's super smooth. No wonder. But once again, remember to outwards, inside to the outside. Don't worry, guys. Nothing valuable was lost. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's it from me. Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Like and subscribe if you like the stuff, if I helped you out. But remember, don't use rubbing alcohol, don't use solutions, don't use Windex. That'll take away from it. These things are pretty hardy, and if this doesn't work, I don't think, yeah, I was doing that wrong. Don't do that. Do this. Out from the front. Yeah. That's how she goes, folks. Like and subscribe. Always appreciated. Have a good one, folks. Take care of each other, right?